Richard Patterson and Master P. These are bricks. These are pretty sick. This one holds $50,000. This holds $5,000. This is a little baby. This is like for giving away gifts. Here is the TRION badge. This will go on the Raiders plates, like this. Know how to go over that there. Like that. Lamborghini, no. Move out of the way, Lambo. We got TRION coming in. So we'll put that in all the locals' plates. I'll show you a couple more things. One of my favorite ones is over here. This one's a Mercedes brick. This one's 3D, so this is way down deep inside. That one's cool. Here's one we just made. This is the YouTube money brick. This one holds 10K. We got a few more over here. This is a 75,000. We got stuff going on everywhere. Actually, this is a hitch cover, a big one, Raiders. Now, of course, we're going to be making a TRION one as well, which we have right over here. So here's a hitch cover for TRION. This will also be door handles in the main building. That's going to be pretty sick. Here's a $100,000 brick, 15,000, 5,000, 50,000, 75, 75, 75, 100, a baby 100. That's for Vegas Dave. You guys know who that is. We got lots of them. My favorite one, actually, here's another one over here. Here's a $100,000 one. That one's pretty sick. This is about 35 pounds, so it's really heavy. Here's a couple more smaller ones. My favorite one is right over here, though. This is fake money, so don't trip. So this one is nice. Normally, the lid and the top and the bottom each hold the equal amount of money. Like this one holds 100,000. Of course, we make custom bolts as well, which are pretty sick. They're TRION worthy. But this one just has a lid that goes on top of the money. We'll make one of these for you too. We'll put your spare key for your TRION right there. Here's a nice Bitcoin brick. Another Louis Vuitton. That one's pretty sick. I shouldn't be touching these. These are all sold and they're already polished, so that's okay. So that's what we got, Master P. We got a couple cool things. And I wanted to show you one more thing. I think it's right over here somewhere. Where is it? Of course, we make lots of custom knives too. And that might be hidden. Where is it? Ah, here it is. This will be a key fob for your TRION. Boom. There you go. That's the little mini quick tour of what we're up to over here. Can't wait to meet you. See you. We got the last minute. Make some sick ass lighters. That's Richard's signature right there. We'll get your signature and do one for you too. Here's Richard's signature again. And this is going to be a badass knife when it's done. So we do all kinds of stuff for TRION. We love TRION. And I almost forgot, one of my favorites is the coasters, the TRION coasters. Those are pretty sick. Of course, we got Shelby, Knights, Raiders, Cowboys, Bitcoin. We got Bitcoin bricks as well. These are pretty dope. I could keep making additions to this video for hours because we have so much stuff we make. That was pretty sick. Here's the Raiders again in steel gray, Bitcoin in glass black, Army. So come to the shop next time you're in town. I'll give you the tour. We got some pretty cool stuff here. Okay, so I forgot to show you the bottom. The bottom of these coasters are beautiful. It's so shiny, it's very hard to read, but it's shiny.